Good day. Okay, loading day ngayon, Friday, May 15, 2026. Meron tayong ilo-load na 22 birds. 10 cocks, 12 hens. Alright, and ano ngayon, 200 kilometers. May konting forecast ng ulan, sana magbago. At we'll see. So, alright, Friday, loading day, let's go! Okay, nandito tayo sa clubhouse. Padala tayo ng ayan 10 cock tsaka 12 hen. Okay, so 22 sa 200 kilometers. Ayan. Okay, dito tayo sa club. Ayan, sabi ko nasa gitna ito ng parang gubat. Ayan. Right.
And on their own too. Yeah, I don't know which I could see, but where's Joe? Joe was he? Yeah, he was in both. I thought he was in the case. Tomorrow. Not tomorrow? Later?
I don't be away.
Okay. We can do it Sunday.
Probably Carter's got his people.
Okay.
Ayan na po yung truck. Alright. Okay, ito po yung list ng ating pinadala ngayong Friday para bukas. Ayan. Ayan ang mga ibon natin. 22 birds. Okay. Alright.